Okay. So you're talking about the camera rating. So we have different types of rating. So intelligent functions that we offer including tripwire intrusion and abandon. We can see later. We can see how you can configure this. But basically, tripwire is more of like a line, creating a virtual fence or a line. Intrusion is more like a box. And you have missing or abandoned object. So we can have alarms both in case of any of this is violated.
Okay.
So face recognition, we'll talk about. These are just to mention functions of camera that can support, including face recognition.
Okay.
So video structuralization. So the cameras can be able to identify vehicles and humans and separate between ordinary objects and vehicles and humans. People counting functions. So we have people counting scenarios for products, the products that support this function. So maybe talk about accessories. So we have different types of accessories that we can use while installing or configuring cameras. We have houses for bodies for cameras and lens separate. We have different brackets that we provide. So different depending on the installation scenario, we can provide different brackets, including walls, brackets, ceiling, parapet. So it's upon you to decide which bracket you need, and all this information can be found on our website. So power supply, so different power supplies. This one's a direct power supply. We have the one that receives AC input and gives you an output of 12 volts. We have power supplies for up to 24 volts used in PGZ scenarios and UPSs. So next, power supply box. So this one will help you isolate the power for surveillance and the power for other power grid so that you can avoid interruptions and avoid power prone issues.
Yes.
So for camera accessories, we also have SD card storage devices. We'll introduce to you storage devices later, but we offer even memory cards, hard disks, and storage products, even flash disks. So we'll talk about it later in products. So the pickup structure you can see here in this image that we talked about earlier. So this is the pickup. So different types of pickups. Yeah. So we need to, sometimes you might want to get audio from specific point. So I can use pickup. Maybe installation like offices. It's a good installation using pickups.
Okay.
So an illuminator. So it's like this, like those in highways. It will create help produce light for the camera, and installation distance is usually not less than 0.5 meters. So in this scenario, let me just talk about this tester. So a tester is very important, especially if you guys are doing Dahua products. We have,
yes, we have
you have this tester.
Not that one, but another brand.
Yeah, it's very good because it can do other products apart from Dahua. You can assign IP address, you can view the camera live, you can change the camera settings.
Yes.
Basically do manipulation of a camera and other products of Dahua. But it's very good in cameras.
Yes.
So just install once and plug in everything. It works very well. So in tools, so we have the toolbox. So this toolbox is is a software that is a bundle of software actually, which comprises of config tool, project design tool, and the camera calculator. So config tool,
Yes.
I think you guys have interacted with config tool.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, config tool. I'll just do a session about softwares later. So a different session about softwares that we offer. We also have a project design tool which help you design product proposals. We have camera calculator which can help you determine the distance of the cameras, the resolution, etc. So all these are free. And you can search a config tool and you can download the config tool, then download the software that are inside.
Yes. Yes.
So I'll create a different session about softwares, and I'll train you guys about the softwares. So that's the end of this session for today.
Yes.
Later we'll talk about basic knowledge of recorder. And if you're okay, there's another guy we are doing training. I just finished with him about recorder.
Yes.
Yes, so I was thinking to combine you into one group.
No problem.
Yes. So I think we'll resume tomorrow.
Yes. At what time?
We can do morning, early morning hours. Which time are you available?
Tomorrow, I will be available from 8 tomorrow time to 11.
8 to 11.
Yes.
Okay, we can do a session from 9 to 11.
9 Nairobi time.
No, your time.
Yeah. Okay.
From 9 to 11, so that we have. I finish with you the first session. I finish about knowledge of recorder.
Okay.
Then with the other guy, we combine from 10 to 11. We talk now about the interface information. Then we finish with this.
Okay.
Yes. So okay, thank you for joining.
Thank you.
I'll send you the video.
Yes.
So that maybe for reference or any issue you can use the video.
Yes.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.
You say?
Have a nice afternoon.
The same to you. And thank you.